Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training, and today we have a beginner-friendly fat burner cardio workout. This will be a fun one. Maybe you don't have a lot of time, you just want to get into quick exercise, then this is the one for you. You just need yourself a flat surface. This is all standing, so don't worry about getting on the ground. Just some water, you and I, we're gonna have some fun, so let's do it. We are gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more demonstrating and explaining the exercises while you follow along. And then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them. This should go quick, this should go fast, and we're gonna burn some fat in the process. So let's get started with exercise number 1. We're gonna start off with a warm-up active exercise called hip opener. So here we go, 30 seconds on the clock, and let's go. So just alternate between lifting one knee and just turning it over just like that. Really trying to open up our hip flexors, our legs. You can go this way, outside. You can bring them in like this, whatever you feel comfortable with. In track, we would actually have hurdles or like objects, and the goal is just to like pretend you're stepping over that. It really just helps you keep from cheating, and also just really lift up. Just like this. Got 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake it out. We're gonna go right into my nemesis, sumo pulses. 30 seconds on. I like to have my feet pointed out like this, really overextend, and then we're just gonna get right into some sumo squats. And here we go. So really just focusing on getting as low as we can. Flat back, and just get as deep as you can. I can't get any deeper than this. I am not flexible enough, but we just wanna stay in this pocket right here, and we're just pulsing. Really push with your feet flat on the ground, just like that. Try not to stand all the way up because then this gives yourself a break. So try to keep that bend as much as you can. You're gonna feel it in your hips, in your glutes, in your thighs and quads. Couple more, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Oh, that's burning. Next we have IYT. Arm raises. I learned this from Coach Gabby, so I'm just going to demonstrate in front of you. So all we're doing is our hands right in front. We're going to raise up straight as if an I, and then we're going to raise 45-degree angles as if a Y, and then we're going to raise to the side like a T. But now we're going to do it knees bent, a little bit of a bend forward, arms right in front, really reach, and we're going to focus on doing all those like this. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. So bring it up as an I, and then 45-degree angles for the Y, and then here we go for the T. Just in this pocket, just like that. Try to keep your back flat. Really reach. You're gonna feel it. I just messed myself up. Here we go, Y, and then T. Here we go, I, Y, T. This is a great one for your triceps, for your arms. It's gonna be burning, especially if you're reaching. Almost creates like an isometric squeeze, just like this. Let's do one more. And done. Great job. Last, some step jacks. Feel free to do whatever variation of jumping jacks you like. I like the step jacks because it's so fun. Here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. I'm gonna add the butt kick variation. We just wanna step from side to side. You know, slapping our legs at the bottom, trying to touch your hands at the top, just like that. I love movements like this because it's sneaky. You don't think, it's really doing anything, but before the 30 seconds is up, you are tired. So here we go. Really kick that leg, just like that. 3, 2, and 1. I told you, my arms are tired, my legs are tired. That was it. That was your first set done and dusted of this fat burner cardio workout. Stretch it out. Let's get some water real quick. We'll jump right into set number 2. All right, here we go. We know what we're doing now. We're gonna start off with some hip openers. We got this in 3, 2, and 1. Really open up those hips. Bring that knee up and over. Try to tighten your core. See if you can lift your leg from your core here. Just like that. We can go the other way if you'd like. See if you're stepping over something. Looks a little weird, but hey, everyone's gonna be jealous of how mobile you are. Like, how are you moving like that? Oh, I just follow Coach Greg. Here we go, a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Now sumo pulses. Get in position in 3, 2, and 1. There it is, just right here. Again, try not to go all the way, try not to lock out your knees because it gives you a break. You just want to be right in here. You can most likely go way deeper than I am, so feel free to do so. Right here. Couple more seconds. You should start feeling it right now, as I am. 3, 2, and 1. Next, IYTs. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Really reach. Just like that. Really reach forward. Gosh, I messed myself up. You're doing great. You're doing awesome. One more. Great job, last. Let's get these step jacks going, baby. 3, 2, and 1. Make sure you're breathing. Maybe not as heavy as I am. But it's a good song. I know my cardio isn't where it should be, so doing exercises like this reminds me of that. And then it's all good. As long as I get a little better each day, a month from now, I'll be able to blow through these like it's nothing. There we go, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it off. Last set, here we go. Grab some water, or at least get ready, because we're about to do these hip openers. Alrighty, come on, finish strong with me. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, and 1. All right, sumo pulses in 3, 2, and 1. Sometimes it helps, at least I know for me, if I'm like stiff, to have like a dumbbell, because then gravity helps me. I'll make do. This is the last set, so really push yourself. Try to keep your knees from buckling in. 3, 2, and 1. All right, IYTs. Let's see if we can do these. 3, 2, and 1. So arms right in front. Three, 2, 1. Let's just finish this. Great job. Step jacks. Come on. This is the cardio. 3, 2, and 1. Three, 2, and 1. Oh, give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. That was your beginner-friendly fat burner cardio workout. I feel like that wasn't too bad. I'm tired, I'm breathing heavy, but I feel like that was a fun one. If you like this, go ahead and like the actual video, leave a comment, let us know what you think. And while you're at it, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I'm Coach Greg, I'm out of breath, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.